A very good morning to you and welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today I am come up with a jalapeno pickle. I had gone to a jalapeno supermarket and I found this packet of jalapeno. So I thought that I will just pick it up and I got it. I just love them, like when you order a pizza and all. I just love this. So it is like I got it for around 7 jalapeno chilies for 65 rupees. It might be cheaper somewhere else. So here it is. So I will wash them now. So I will put in this and I will just wash this. Okay, see, they are very nice. Kindly note the other ingredients what we need. So we need this jalapeno chilies. Quantity is yours, but I am taking around 7 jalapenos chilies. Then we need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a few cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of oregano, any type of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 glass of white vinegar and 1 glass of plain water. So this is all what you need for this recipe. So let's start first cutting this jalapeno chilies in a round shape. And then you can use it for pizza or anything. Yeah. So chop this like this only all. And I will keep this also in my pickle. So like this only you chop all the other. Same way you can do with your normal chilies also. Like you get in the market the other normal chilies, fat one. You can use that also for, but it will be different taste because this jalapeno's taste only is different. So chop all this nicely. Now if you don't want the stem, then you can just take it out. If you want to keep, you can keep that stem also. If you don't want, then it's okay. You can remove this. Simple but tasty. Now we have to crush this garlic. So now what we'll do, we'll take this container. Okay. We'll put this bay leaves. We'll put this vinegar in this. Water. We'll put all this ingredients. Only we have to crush our little bit of garlic. We have to crush. Now we will crush our garlic. You can put only 1 big one or 2 big one. I don't have big one, so I am using the small ones. And here it goes in this. So now I will keep this for to boil. Okay, so here it goes. And let it get a nice boil. So now here it is nicely getting boiled. Okay, so we have to boil this properly. Nice boil, like how we boil our tea and all. So like this only, so the flavor gets all together nicely. The sugar, the salt and everything gets nicely combined together. So now the boil is come. Now we will add our jalapenos, peppers or chilies, whatever you say. Okay. In this. And let it be in this for few minutes, not more, few minutes. You can see this. Now I will close the gas, like put off the gas, cover it and till it cools down, and then we will put it in our jar. This can remain at least for 1-2 months in the fridge. Nicely covered. Don't keep it open. Nicely covered. So now it's boiled. A slight boil. And now we'll put off the gas. And I will cover this like this. And keep this for around 30 minutes. So it comes to room temperature. And it's done. Okay, so hope you will enjoy this jalapeno pickle in your food, or in my pizza time you want to remove and garnish it then very well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this, and I get these recipes whenever I find, like these are my favorites, whatever I get. So hope you will enjoy.